Do you know what technological object is the reason for our cultural background and overall improvement of society in the US today? The answer is computers. Computers is the nucleus of all the research, sources, communications we're establishing today for our trade, our family purposes, and all those other stuff. But do you know? But this also makes a big deal in business. For example, and one reason why this is the case is silicon. And in business, silicon is the cheapest, most affordable yet abundant element that is used to make computers today. Another thing is medical research. Now, the one reason why computers is improving business today is because when doctors need to do medical research, they're trying to diagnose today's diseases like cancer, lung disease, pancreatic disease, and all those things. But what's gonna accurately diagnose it and give the specific information as the doctors need? Certainly, humans cannot be perfect. That's why computers always come in handy. With given algorithms, computers can analyze data and sort it out, and then they will immediately give the accurate information and the records as the patient and the doctors need for further diagnosis. Basically, medical research means grants. Grants mean a lot more money than you think. Some grants can be like $1 million, $10 million, or $30 million for all we know. And the CEOs and the computer engineering like Dell, computer engineering companies like Dell, Nvidia, Microsoft, they basically are gonna receive those grants every time they participate in these medical researches. For example, cancer has been diagnosed and there is a little bit work on the treatment today about it. Diabetes is still going on. Another thing is basically the cell phone use. Cell phone has just become the norm of society today. And what thing is used to program all these laptops, chips, mobile computers, like your iPads, your Google Nexuses, and all those stuff, like your Microsoft tablets. It is one element called the chip. And basically, the chip is the GUI interface that attracts the human senses, and therefore we are interested in it so much we invest all our money and we give it in fact to the CEOs of the companies who made it. And basically, this is why with this advantage, the CEOs have basically ad- have used it to their competition to build the best one as they can, and they're trading it internationally for fame, publicity, and morality. Basically, in full words, computer engineering, as much as it improves our society today, this is benefiting the business of all the employees. This is actually one reason why so many of our many Asians are coming over to the U.S. today. For one thing that was always to be correct is for business basically. Computers is one unique thing which I cannot emphasize enough. There are more reasons than this, but these are few reasons I have included in the speech just for time convenience. Basically, computers are the only are only one of the reasons why we're surviving in this world today. Without computers, who knows? What if we need it for emergencies? What if we need to locate where the grocery stores is? What if we need electronic maps? What if we need what if we need directions? Definitely, for one thing, we definitely we could not have communicated properly. Besides, with computers, communication's a lot more easier. Otherwise, we'd just be wasting gas, fuel, mileage, and all those sorts of stuff for no apparent reason. So shouldn't we owe this debt to the companies who made this all possible? That is why they deserve to be rich today as they are now.
Um, so what was your thesis?
My thesis was that computer engineering, it's the value of computer engineering in society today and how it is affected and how it relates to business.
Okay.
Any other questions you need? Am I confusing you guys?
Pretty straightforward.
Right. That